Hey, welcome. My name is Joshua Mba, and in this video, I'm going to show you a powerful feature on Staker dashboard that you could use to close multiple sales for yourself as an affiliate. I'm going to show you this feature, and I would like you to lay hold on of it and take crazy action. This feature is specially built into Staker to help you as an affiliate make more sales. Just in case you are watching this video for the first time and are hearing about Staker, I want to introduce you to Staker, which is one of the amazing platforms for affiliate marketing from Africa, and you could like sell to the ends of the earth, literally. Like, I mean, you can't sell it inside the ocean, right? We could sell it anywhere, right? So that's what I'll be showing you. This powerful feature, a lot of affiliates don't know about it. Some who know about it don't know how to use it, but I'll show you how to use it. So I decided to have to use a new account. Everything is zero, no transaction, everything is just brand new. So I'm going to show you how it works step by step until it gets the final stage. I'm going to make more videos to show you amazing tips. So I'll be using one of the products here, the Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Program, DFY. So you basically, if you come to your marketplace here, you see a lot of products, and the product I'll be recommending for you guys is this of Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Program, which is like the standard program that teaches you how to do affiliate marketing on Stakeout. Of course, it was prepared by Joshua, but currently now at $40, and of course, will increase to $75 very soon. But let's get back to the gist. Now, when you click on this part, even if you're on your mobile phone or whatever it is, this is your affiliate link. So you are expected to copy your affiliate link and use your affiliate link for your promotion, right? And for your marketing. And this product has 50% commission. That means if you make a sale, you're going to earn $20, right? Currently $20. Good. Now, when I copy this link, I could share it. I could like put it in my marketing material and all of those stuff. If you want to learn how to market affiliate products, you probably should take this program, of course. Now, but let's say you already know what to do and then you are marketing it. I want to show you a very powerful feature that a lot of people don't know about. So what you would notice is that for every time someone use your link, let's try to use our link right now to make a purchase. That's my link, and I'm going to open it on a new tab. It's going to take me to the sales page. From the sales page, I could then make a purchase. So let's try to make a purchase with my affiliate link. Let's see how it goes. Good. I've opened the sales page and then I'll click on buy. Remember, I just want to buy with my affiliate link. I'm doing this on purpose to show you how it works. I'm going to try to fill up this form, right, with some probably basic information. I'm going to attempt to. All right, so let's say that's the name, right? Nikki, whatever it is. Probably I will just use a very Choma. I don't want to use my name because it's my account, so I want to. All right, so I'm going to click on next. Of course, it's going to take me to the page where I'm going to make payment. Now on this page, I will select the payment type. I'm currently in Nigeria, so I'm going to use the Nigeria option. If you're in Ghana, you're going to see pay with Ghana cedis. If you're in Uganda, you're going to see pay with Uganda shillings, Kenya shillings, and all of those currencies. I really don't know all of it. And then you just select if you are in a country that permits you to pay with your dollars. Probably you are in Dubai, any of those countries. So we just select pay with dollars and then click on proceed. So the person makes payment, right? Now, just to walk you through, let's get to the end of the whole process. I want to show you something. So let's say I'm a customer now that is using your affiliate link, and then I've gotten to this stage of the payment. And am I expected to input my card details and then make the payment? But for example, chances are number one chance is that most of the customers might not want to use their card. They might tell you, hey, I'm scared about using my card. I've been scammed online, blah, 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 and all of those stuff. No need to struggle with the explanation. They could easily click on pay with USSD. USSD means they will select their bank. For example, I use Zenith Bank, and they will just use their star 966 hash or whatever option their bank uses, whatever bank they are using. They could also pay through bank transfer. Click on bank transfer, you could like make the transfer. You could pay with your Bata card. You could pay with a lot of options here, and all of them work. So you could pay with USSD, pay with Bata card, and pay with transfer or pay with your card. Once you click on pay with transfer, they'll show you a bank you're going to make payment to. Once you are done making payment to this account number, which is Sterling Bank, then you click on I've made this payment. It automatically confirms your payment, and then you get access to what you paid for. But let's say the person got to this point, and because of
any reason at all, maybe network issue from their side, maybe their bank is giving them issue at that point, and then they couldn't make payment and this window closes, right? Now let's go back to our dashboard. Remember, we had 0 transactions. Let's go to our dashboard. We had 0 transactions before, but right now we have recent transaction here, and it's from Nikki, and the status is pending. That means that Nikki did not make payment, but she tried to pay for the product. So what do? This data here is powerful. If I click on view all here, look at view all, it's going to show me a list of everybody that have used my affiliate link. The successful ones, I could see them by typing success. If I type success on the search bar, it's going to list out all of the ones that were successful. If I type pending, it's going to list all the ones that tried to pay but couldn't work. So a few days ago, I saw someone online. I saw someone's payment who tried to pay like 3 times, but it did not go through, and we created a log of 3 times the person tried. If I try it one more time again to make payment from the beginning, it's going to log my information. So let's say the same person tried 3 times, it did not work. Now, if you see someone's information show up on your dashboard once, the person made an attempt. If you see the person's information show 2 times on your dashboard, it means the person really wanted to pay, but obviously had either a network issue or maybe their bank were giving them issue. That is a hot buyer. That's a hot audience you shouldn't even joke with. If the person tried 3 times, so just a few days ago, I saw someone that attempted 3 times. I was observing the platform from the admin section, and I saw someone that was using a particular affiliate link to make payment. 3 times he tried, but it could not go through. I called the customer. I said, "You tried to make 3 times payment, it did not go through. What's the problem?" The customer said he was having network issue with his bank, and it was simple. I just told him, "Okay, do you know the affiliate that sent you a link to pay for this product?" He said, "Yes." I told you, reach out to him and complain about this, and the affiliate later got the sale. Just after 24 hours I did that call, I saved the affiliate would have lost that customer, and probably that customer would have walked away without making payment. That's the same thing you need to know. These informations here are very, very, very powerful. If I use this affiliate link again to make payment, you are going to see that it will still log the information. All right, it will still log the information. Let me click on it again. Even if I don't continue again, the information will still be here. It's going to update. You could see it appear here. You're going to say, "Oh, this person, this is their phone number, this is their email address." You could just close them over the phone. This is a powerful feature you should be leveraging on right now on StakeCut. So when you see someone's information show like this 2 times or even more, and it wasn't successful, you could say amount N is $0, status is pending, you really need to call the person. "Hello, bro, I noticed you wanted to buy this product with my affiliate link." And of course, they're going to see only those who are using your affiliate link. All right. You saw how I navigated here. Come here on your dashboard, you're going to see recent transactions. You're probably going to see maximum of 4 on this page, but if you click on view all, you're going to see all of them, the cost they wanted to buy. See it here, the customer's information, the amount they should have paid, and the status of their payment. So I want to teach you how you can close this call. There is, so when you call someone on the phone, "Hello, my name is Joshua," and of course, if the person used the affiliate link, that means the person came through your funnel, clicked on your link somewhere that you shared it. "Hello, my name is Joshua. Am I speaking with Nikki Cleaning or Nikki Shoma?" The person is going to say yes. I'm going to go like, "Okay, I noticed you wanted to buy the Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Program. You tried it about 2 times and it didn't go through. Were you having a network problem?" We are going to sound neutral. "What's my name?" "Oh, why are you asking me? My name is Joshua. I noticed you used my affiliate link to you clicked on my link to buy the program." You might want to say affiliate link or not. The person is going to say like, "Oh, I tried, and it was network issue." "Okay, okay, sorry. Did you try to use your card?" "Okay, there's another option. You could use a transfer option on the platform." The person might obviously ghost out because they might not know that you could like change from using card to make payment to using a transfer USSD, right? So you follow up. That's all. The person could literally going to tell you the problem. If the person's problem is that they are not interested, they won't make an attempt to pay 2 times. But if you see someone's attempt is once, and you call the person and you discover that the problem is not network issue, then you're going to use a system that I've developed called the phone closing systematic process. Right? I taught that in my program called the Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Program. There is a particular video where I did a live reference on what to say step by step if you want to close someone over the phone. So if you get this program now, you're going to also learn how to do that. For people who their objection is not network issue, but the objection is like the price is too much, or I'm not sure about this product, whether it's work for me, or they have other objections, I show that you can close it inside this program. All right. So, but this is basically a powerful feature you need to be leveraging on. I want to show you an amazing sneak peek. In my next video, I'm going to show another amazing feature on StakeCut that you could use as an affiliate to access premium analytics that you could use to close more sales for yourself. If you learned something in this video, let me know. If you want me to cover more videos about how to use StakeCut, let me also know in the comment section. And if you have not created your account on StakeCut, log on now to StakeCut and create your free account. It's 100% free. If you want to learn how to make money off StakeCut, take this ultimate affiliate marketing program right now and see how you're going to bank a lot of sales for yourself. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.